Ethan, you're 8 months and 1 week. You're getting so big. And what is it that you have in your hand? Oh, hat in your hand. Was that a teething stick?
Can you get it, honey?
I can. Grossness, grossness, a little slimy. Hopefully there's no hairs. Here you go. Hey, why would you have that? Could it be that you have teeth now? They finally poked through. Yeah.
Yeah, we have one tooth.
One toofer. Can you wave?
You'll have to take our word.
Can you wave at me?
But it's in the bottom gum.
Bye-bye. Yeah, look, you're waving.
Nice job. Ethan, wave at Mommy.
Wave at Mommy.
Can you wave and say hello?
Yeah.
Say hi,
Hi, Mommy. You're such a big boy.
Mommy. There you go. Good job.
Yay.
Look here, Ethan.
Look at Mommy.
And you can't really see, but this boy is covered in head to toe. Yes.
With that goobery stuff from the...
With a very slimy cookie. But he's got happy feet. Okay, say bye, everybody.
Okay, bye.
Love you.